Living in Rowlett means enjoying warm sunshine, friendly neighborhoods, and beautiful lakeside scenery, but it also means dealing with sudden weather changes. From strong spring winds to heavy thunderstorms and unexpected hail, your home must be ready for anything. One of the most effective ways to protect your property and keep your family safe is by installing storm-resistant doors designed specifically for harsh weather conditions. If you're upgrading your home's exterior, here's how storm-resistant door solutions provide dependable protection and year-round peace of mind for Rowlett homeowners. Reinforced construction for maximum strength. Traditional doors simply aren't built to withstand the force of severe wind gusts or airborne debris. Storm-resistant doors, however, use reinforced materials and construction techniques to offer superior durability. These doors often feature heavy-gauge steel or reinforced fiberglass skins, strengthened internal framing, high-density core insulation, specialized hardware designed to stay secure under pressure. This enhanced construction prevents warping, bending, or breaking during high winds, something especially important for homes in storm-prone parts of Rowlett. Impact-resistant glass for patio and entry doors. Many homes in Rowlett have patio doors or decorative glass panels in their entry doors. While beautiful, these areas are vulnerable during storms, unless impact-resistant glass is used. Impact-safe glass is engineered to stay intact even when hit by debris, prevent shards from entering your home, reduce the risk of door failure during violent storms. Much like automobile safety glass, it's designed to crack but remain bonded to an inner layer, keeping your home protected. Advanced weather sealing to block water and wind. Storms in Rowlett can bring heavy rainfall and wind-driven moisture. Without a properly sealed door, water can seep inside, damaging flooring, walls, and framing. Storm-resistant door systems include multi-point weather stripping compression seals that tighten as the door closes, water-deflecting thresholds, leak-proof sweeps that block wind and rain. These extra layers of protection help keep your home dry, even during intense downpours. Better energy efficiency during extreme conditions. Many of the same features that keep storms out also keep indoor temperatures stable. High-quality storm-resistant doors help prevent energy loss, keeping your home comfortable no matter what's happening outside. Benefits include lower cooling costs during hot Rowlett summers, reduced heat loss during cold snaps, less strain on your HVAC system, a more comfortable indoor environment year-round by preventing drafts and sealing in conditioned air. Storm-resistant doors support energy savings and improved home comfort. Strengthened security for everyday peace of mind. Storm-resistant doors don't just protect against weather, they also help protect against intruders. Because they're built to withstand extreme forces, they naturally offer better home security. Security advantages include multi-point locking mechanisms, reinforced hinge systems, heavy-duty strike plates, and locking hardware, impact-resistant glass that's difficult to break for many homeowners. Replacing an entry or patio door doubles as an important safety upgrade. Stylish designs that complement your home. One common assumption is that storm-resistant doors look bulky or industrial. In reality, today's options are available in numerous styles, finishes, and glass designs, so your home stays protected and beautiful. Options include modern steel doors with smooth or textured finishes, wood-look fiberglass doors that mimic natural grain, impact-rated French and sliding patio doors, decorative glass panels with reinforced safety layers. You can match the door to your home's architecture while still enjoying storm-ready protection. Long-term durability with minimal maintenance. Storm-resistant doors require very little maintenance compared to traditional wood doors. Their strong materials resist moisture, UV damage, and warping, making them ideal for Rowlett's constantly shifting climate. Expect less frequent repairs, longer door lifespan, consistent performance in harsh weather. This makes them a cost-effective investment that saves money over time. Final thoughts: with Rowlett's unpredictable weather patterns, storm-resistant doors offer reliable protection that homeowners can count on. These doors combine strength, durability, energy efficiency, and modern style, keeping your home safer during storms and more comfortable every day. Whether you're upgrading for security, weather protection, or curb appeal, storm-resistant door solutions are a smart, long-lasting choice for your Rowlett home.